I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use potting mix for indoor plants. Start by selecting a quality potting mix labeled for containers, not garden soil. Check texture and ingredients like perlite or coir for drainage. Test by squeezing. It should hold shape then crumble. If heavy, add pumice or perlite at about 10 to 30%. Store mix dry and use fresh mixes for repotting to avoid pests. Begin by cleaning your pot and tools to reduce pathogens. Lightly moisten the potting mix so it is slightly damp but not wet, making it easier to settle around roots. Add mix to create a base, position the plant at the correct depth, and backfill gently while eliminating air pockets. Press lightly and leave a 1 to 2 inch gap under the rim for watering and top dressing. Water deeply and let excess drain. Keeping pots constantly soggy invites root rot. Check the top inch of mix and water when it feels dry, adjusting frequency for plant type and light. Flush containers occasionally to remove accumulated salts, and top dress with fresh mix or compost as needed. Repot when roots circle the pot or growth slows, choosing a slightly larger container and fresh potting mix to rejuvenate plants.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.